This place can show what you're really made of. My story started here. Story of Most Wanted.
Hello everyone watching, welcome back again to Infinite Solution. So in this video I'm going to take you through on how to download and install Need for Speed Most Wanted on your laptop or desktop. Before going through the steps, I first want to appreciate all of you that are watching this video, and for all those that have been with us for some good years. I'm sorry that we have not been uploading videos for good 3 months. So I hope these steps will help you, and let's go into the video. Okay, the first thing we shall go straight to our browser, and then we shall type Steam. So this is a game, so we shall type Steam, then we shall go straight to the websites. So we have this first website, which is just right this very one, and so all this, the three of these still they're the same site, but we shall just go straight with the first one, which is this very one. Okay, so let us just click on it. Okay, so right from here, this is how the site looks like, and so you can as well first download the app, which is this very one. You can download on your laptop, but however, if you don't want, there's no problem. So let us just scroll down. So in order to download the game, you first need to log in, or if you are not yet registered with them, then you need to first register. So you can click to create an account just right from here, and which is this very from this very link here. So you just click on it, and then it takes you here, and then from here you provide your email and you confirm your email. Then you can choose your country, the country that you are in. So you can just choose the country, and then you can click I'm not a robot, and then you confirm if you are 13 years of age and above. Then after that, then you go back. If you're successful, then you can go on and proceed with logging in into your account. And still also, if you're already logged in, you can just scan on your phone the barcode, and then straight from here, then you can reach to this right from here. So I'm just trying to take you through the steps. So the next thing you're going to do is you go straight to the search here, and then type Need for Speed, if this is what basing on our video. So I'll just click that Need for Speed, and then so this is what it looks like as you see from here. Now from here we have a lot of other videos that is trying to explain and showing us how the game looks like if you are to download, if you want to play the game. Okay, so from here still we have the payment details, which is just we have the starting, which is $4.99, that is per month. And so this still means if you want to buy for per year, you can click on that is $29.99, and that means that you are saving than $4.99. okay, so we can just click to add. So from down here we have about this game that you can read, and also we have the features about still this game, and you can take your time and try to read the features and that have been provided in this game. So after all this, then you can then just purchase this, and so once this is done, then you have your video downloaded. You just need to link your payment details into your account, and then you can purchase. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope the steps I've taken you through will help you, and in case you have any issue with the purchase issue, you can leave a comment, and I will be ready to reply the comment as early as possible. So thank you guys, see you next time.